Are you trying to decide between Roku OS and Google TV? You are not alone. Today, we'll break down the key features of both to help you make the right choice. Both Roku OS and Google TV are popular platforms for streaming your favorite shows and movies. They give you access to a wide range of apps and services. But how do they differ? Let's start with Roku OS. It's known for its simplicity. The interface is user friendly, making it easy to navigate. You can find all your streaming apps in one place. Roku also has a great selection of channels, including free options. Plus, it offers a robust search feature that helps you find content quickly. Now, let's look at Google TV. This platform is built on Android and offers a more personalized experience. Google TV recommends shows based on what you watch. It integrates well with other Google services like Google Assistant. You can even control smart home devices through it. So, what are the main differences? Roku OS focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Google TV, on the other hand, provides a more tailored experience with smart recommendations. When it comes to features, Roku has a straightforward interface and a huge library of channels. Google TV shines with its personalization and smart integrations. As for pricing, both platforms have affordable options. Roku devices are generally budget friendly, while Google TV may come with a higher price tag depending on the device you choose. In conclusion, if you want a simple, no fuss streaming experience, Roku OS is the way to go. But if you prefer a more customized and smart experience, Google TV is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.